Because life has no reset button, think safety.
The startling point right now that I take away and think about food in the United States is that the distance your food on your table travels before it gets to you is 1,500 miles. That's very different from the situation we experienced back in 1918, the last time we had a major pandemic, when most of the food supply was local. So major concern, for public safety concern, is that the food supply, when interrupted, when thought to be unsafe, will mean that there are other challenges, either expectations that sheriffs are going to have to protect grocery stores, be part of rationing, any number of things, increase the burden on the public safety community. I think the biggest challenge is that there's no magic bullet, unlike some of the other big challenges that we have as a nation. In this instance, we don't have a medicine or a device that will come in and protect people. Therefore, the other systems, including public safety, will have to do more with less. We've yet to go through the issue of prioritizing in that we know everything won't function as we see it functioning today. What choices do we make, and how do we scale back our expectations? And that's hard for us. We're a nation of consumers.